Hi, I'm Bill Speare. I'm going to demonstrate how to use the adjustable QuickCutter hole saw on ceiling tile. What I like to do is I like to use it without the drywall stabilizer. You can use it either way, but there's just less resistance. And as you cut smaller holes, you remove that anyways. For the larger holes, you leave it on. So you put the nut back on, snug it up. And I'm going to use the dust shield in the down position to contain all the dust. Put in the drill chuck, tighten it up. Make sure your dust shield spins free. And let's cut our first hole. As you can see, it contained the dust, and all you got to do is you have a very nice clean hole, backside, and as you can see, I'm cutting on a nice surface. I use a few sheets of drywall for a cutting surface.